Nature. Nature is all around us. It is the sky, the trees, the animals, the sun, and the rain. It is the green grass we walk on, the flowers we smell, and the birds we hear. I love nature very much. It makes me feel happy and peaceful. Every day, I wake up and look outside my window. I see the sky. Sometimes it is blue. Sometimes it has clouds. I like both. When the sky is blue, the sun is shining, the sun gives us light and heat. I feel warm and full of energy. When it is cloudy, the weather is cool. I like to walk outside when the weather is not too hot. I enjoy walking in the park. There is a big park near my house. It has many tall trees. The trees are green in spring and summer. The leaves turn yellow, red, and orange. In winter, the trees lose their leaves, but they are still beautiful. In the park, I see children playing, families walking, and people sitting on the grass. Everyone enjoys the fresh air. I walk slowly, listen to the birds, and take deep breath. The air is clean and nice. I also like flowers. There are many flowers in the park: roses, tulips, sunflowers, and more. They come in many colors: red, yellow, pink, purple. I like to take pictures of the flowers. Sometimes I draw them in my notebook. Animals are part of nature too. I love watching animals. In the park, I see birds, dogs, squirrels, and sometimes cats. Birds fly and sing. Dogs run and play with their owners. Squirrels climb trees and look for food. I like watching them move fast and jump from tree to tree. I sometimes go to the countryside with my family. The countryside is quiet and clean. There are big fields, small rivers, and many trees. We walk, eat lunch, and relax under the sky. It feels good to be away from the city. There are no cars or tall buildings, only nature. I also enjoy going to the mountains. The mountains are high and strong. When I reach the top, I see everything from above. The view is beautiful. I can see forests, lakes, and small towns. The wind is strong, but it feels fresh. Nature is not only beautiful, but it is also important. Trees give us oxygen, plants help clean the air, rivers give us water, the sun helps plants grow. We need nature to live. But sometimes people do not take care of nature. They throw trash on the ground, they cut down trees, they pollute the air and the water. This is not good. We must take care of nature. We must throw our trash in the bin. We should not waste water. We should walk or ride a bike instead of using a car. We should plant trees and flowers. I try to do small things to help. I turn off the light when I don't need it. I don't waste water. I recycle paper and plastic. I do not throw trash outside. I also talk to my friends and family about how to protect nature. Nature gives us so much. It gives us food, water, air, and beauty. We must say thank you to nature by protecting it. I want to live in a world where the trees are green, the air is clean, and the animals are safe. I want future children to see the same beautiful flowers and animals that I see. Every person can help. Even small things make a big difference. If each person takes care of nature, the earth will be a better place. So next time you go outside, look at the sky, the trees, and the animals. Take a deep breath, listen to the birds, feel the wind on your face. Nature is a gift. Let's take care of it together.